This vid's just for me because I want to document this. And so I'm listening to music from my iPad on the TV. This song came on. I was like, so true.
She's a heartbreaker from a horrible place. 'Cause fixers never fix themselves.
They usually do not. They should.
She's a fighter, and no one beside her.
Facts.
In a corner, alone on the ropes. She's a letdown away from a terrible place. She fixes every scar but her own.
Fix every scar but her own.
Oh, she fixes the lonely, fixes the broke, and tends to forget who needs fixing the most. Buried in bandages, hiding the
Hear
hate.
that girl or that guy?
Fixers never fix
Fixers
themselves.
never fix themselves, y'all. We need to. It's how you heal. It's how you heal.
Come to the fire. Shamed when we all follow suit.
I am usually ashamed when everyone
She's a
follows suit.
whisper away from a dangerous place. 'Cause lies aren't a fix for the truth.
Lies are not a fix for the truth.
Oh,
I just got chills.
she's the lonely,
Fixes the broke.
tends to forget who needs
Fixing the most.
packed with prescriptions, disguising the hair. 'Cause
Yes.
fixers never fix themselves.
Never ever. I mean, I finally did, but yeah, this song's my life. It's my life in words.
A whole lot to
She's a handful, a whole lot to handle.
Worth every thorn in my side.
Worth every thorn.
She's the sunset away
From the darkest of days.
No fix for the fixer tonight. She's a sunset away
I'm a sunset away.
from the darkest of days.
From the darkest of days.
Fix for the fixer tonight.
Ah, I love it. I love you, Shelley Thompson.